गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हम स्टडी कर रहे थे चैप्टर ऑर्गेनिक सिंथेसिस वाया इनोलेट्स, जिसमें हम स्टडी कर रहे थे मेलोनिक एस्टर सिंथेसिस। तो 4 टाइप की हम सिंथेसिस वहाँ पर स्टडी कर चुके थे। जो लास्ट हमें स्टडी करनी है दैट इज दी सिंथेसिस ऑफ साइक्लोअल्केन्स कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड। यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं, इस केस में जो आपके पास सोडियम सोल्ट होता है मेलोनिक एस्टर का, उसको हम ट्रीट करते हैं 1 मोल ऑफ दी अल्फा ओमेगा डाइहेलाइड. What are alpha omega dihalide? In which the halogen atoms are present at the ending carbon atoms. So we have this dialkyl halide, and firstly the process is same. Firstly the analyte anion will be formed, which will react with the this dialkyl halide. So we will get the product CH2CO twice Na positive. So this is your the enolate anion which is firstly prepared, and it will react with this to form the species like this COO C2H5 twice, then CH2 CH2Br, and there is a removal of sodium bromide, and this again react with a base like sodium ethoxide. So after the reaction with a strong base, there is a cyclic compound like this CH2 CH CH2 CH2 C CO O C2H5 twice, and this upon hydrolysis aqueous NOH, firstly aqueous NOH, and second on addition with acid, it will convert into the carboxylic acid. So CH2 C COOH twice CH2, and again here it is CH2, and this dicarboxylic compound upon heating will release the carbon dioxide molecule, and we will get the cycloalkane carboxylic acid CH2 CHCOOH CH2 CH2 this. So this is the resulting product, and this product is what? This is cyclobutane carboxylic acid. So there are 5 syntheses under the melonic ester synthesis. Next is the alkylation of ethyl acetoacetate, and it is also known as acetoacetic ester synthesis. Now the reason is same as like in case of melonic ester synthesis. Now firstly we will write the structure of this. This is the ethyl acetoacetate. So this is the formula CO. So this is the formula for the ethyl acetoacetate. So this is the ethyl acetoacetate group. So in this case, like melonic ester, there is a presence of 2 alpha hydrogens which are acidic in nature due to the presence of these 2 carbonyl group which are electron withdrawing groups, and this CH2 group is known as active methylene group. So on treatment with a base, it will easily form the enolate anion, and then we get the 3 resonance stabilized structures. And what are that? So on reaction with a base, one of the acidic proton will be abstracted, and the anion formed is CH negative C double bond O C2H5. Now this is further resonance stabilized to form the 3 structures. In first case, the negative charge will be on the carbon atom. In the second resonating structure, it may be on this carbonyl oxygen, or in the next it may be on this carbonyl oxygen. So it will be like this. CH3 COO CH double bond CO negative O C2H5, and in the next case if this negative charge is delocalized here, so the resonating structure will be like this: CO negative double bond CH C double bond O C2H5. So these are the resonating structure, and you can say resonance stabilized enolate anion. And we can write a resonance hybrid structure like this: CH3 CO CH CO O C2H5, and the negative charge is delocalized over these carbon and oxygen atoms. So next is the steps. So what are the steps in this alkylation of acetoacetic ester? The first step is same. The first step is what? It is the formation of enolate. And the second step is what? It is the alkylation of enolate with the alkyl halide. So प्रोसेस आपके पास सेम है जैसा कि हमने मेलानिक एस्टर सिंथेसिस में स्टडी किया था. So we have the acetoacetic ester having formula CH3CO CH2 C double bond O C2H5. It will react with a strong base, like here we are using the sodium ethoxide. So an enolate anion will be formed: CH3 COO CH C double bond O C2H5 negative Na positive, plus an ethanol molecule will be released. Now in this case, if we compare the acidity, now this is a weak acid and this ester is a strong ester because of the presence of these two carbonyl group. Now the second step is what? The second step is the alkylation. So in case of it is the first step, and the next step is the alkylation. Alkylation में क्या होगा कि आपके पास जो इनोलेट एनाइन बना है, it will react with the C2H5. This enolate anion will react with the alkyl halide via a SN2 mechanism to form the monosubstituted acetoacetic ester. So we will get CH3 C double bond O CHR C double bond O C2H5. This is the monosubstituted acetoacetic ester. Now this monosubstituted acetoacetic ester also contain one more alpha hydrogen, so again it will react with a strong base to form the disubstituted acetoacetic ester. So again we are using the same base, sodium ethoxide, and here the release product is NaBr, NX. X may be Br, Cl, whatever. So we will get CH3 COO CR C double bond O C2H5 negative Na positive, and it will react with the second mole of the alkyl halide. Suppose we are in R prime X, and then we get the dialkyl substituted product. It is R prime C double bond O C2H5 minus NaX. So this is the dialkyl substituted acetoacetic ester. So this is the case. Next are the utility. एसिटिक सिंथेसिस जो हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं उसकी सिंथेटिक यूटिलिटी क्या है आपके पास? तो एसिटिक एस्टर सिंथेसिस इसमें आपके पास दो सिंथेटिक यूटिलिटी हैं, क्योंकि आपके पास ये जो एसिटोएस्टिक एस्टर है, इट इज अ वर्सेटाइल सिंथेटिक रिएजेंट्स. सो द फर्स्ट इज द कीटोनिक hydrolysis, and the second utility is the acid hydrolysis. That means it may undergo the ketonic hydrolysis or it may undergo the acid hydrolysis. So firstly we will study the ketonic hydrolysis. So ketonic hydrolysis में क्या होगा, that it will the acetoacetic ester, it will react with the presence with the dilute aqueous alkali or an acid, and then it may readily undergo the decarboxylation to give the resulting ketone. For example, we are having this monosubstituted acetoacetic ester. So firstly it will react with dilute aqueous alkali NaOH, and we will get the sodium salt of this ester, CH3 C double bond O C R HCOO negative Na positive. So this is the sodium salt of this ester, and upon reaction with an acid, it will form the carboxylic acid, CH3 C double bond O CH R COOH, and this upon decarboxylation will give you the ketone CH2R, and here yes, one ethyl molecule is also released. So this is about the ketonic hydrolysis. Also यहाँ पर जो आपके पास decarboxylation होती है, उसका जो आपके पास मैकेनिज्म है वो क्या है, that is CH3 COO CHR COH H डबल बॉन्ड O. तो इस केस में क्या सपोज किया जाता है कि आपके पास जो कीटोनिक ऑक्सीजन है, इट विल एब्स्ट्रैक्ट दिस हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम द एसिड, एंड द प्रोडक्ट इज CH3 C double bond O O positive H CHR CO negative and double bond O. In the next step, which is irreversible, in the next step आपके पास क्या होता है, this lone pair will move here, this bond here, and this, the mechanism is like this. So we get this, the enol form CH, and there is a removal of this carbon dioxide molecule and CHR, and this on further reaction will change into the keto form, and this is called the keto-enol tautomerism, CH3 C double bond O CH2R. So यहाँ पर आपके पास जो process होगा, it will be like this. So this hydrogen will move to this carbon atom to form the ketone form. Also आपके पास जो decarboxylation होती है वो एसिडिफिकेशन से पहले ही हो जाती है, क्योंकि आपके पास जो लॉस होता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का, उसकी वजह से आपके पास क्या बनता है, कार्बे एनायन बनता है, जो कि ज्यादा रेजोनेंस स्टेबलाइज्ड है. जैसे आपके पास यहाँ पर जो जनरेट हुआ था कार्बे एनायन, इट विल बी लाइक दिस C double bond O O negative. So this carbe anion which is generated on acidification, this is the carbe anion. So ये जो आपके पास बना है यहाँ पर कार्बे एनायन, जैसे ही ये क्या करता है, एसिडिफाइड होता है, तो it will release the carbon dioxide molecule easily, because upon releasing this carbon dioxide, it will form a resonance stabilized molecule like this. So it will move to this carbon atom. This carbon atom we will get CHR, and this is further resonance stabilized, in which the negative charge will move to the oxygen atom of the carbonyl group, double bond CHR. So this is the case. If we are having CH3, we can write here CH3. If we are having an R group, it is this. And in case of acetoacetic acid, it is the methyl group. So this is the case of the first, that is the ketonic hydrolysis. The second is the acid hydrolysis. Now आपके पास जो ketonic hydrolysis हुई थी, that is in the presence of a dilute aqueous alkali or acid. But जो acid hydrolysis होती है, it will be done in the presence of a concentrated alkali. So if we have the acetoacetic ester, C double bond O C2H5. So upon reaction with 2 mole of NaOH, which is concentrated, we will get the two molecules of acid, which is 2 mole of the acid in its salt form, that is the sodium salt, COONA plus R CH2. If we have the alkylated acetoacetic acid, so R CH2 COO negative plus an ethyl molecule. So upon the reaction with the concentrated alkali, we will get the 2 acid in its salt form and 1 ethyl alcohol form molecule. So this is the type of acid hydrolysis, and it will lead to the formation of further. So on further reaction with an acid, they will convert into the acidic hydrolysis, and it again on reaction it will convert into the R CH2 COOH. So this is the case. So from this type of study, there are 3 features जो हमें यहाँ पर पता लगे हैं. The first is that acetoacetic ester will contain the 2 alpha hydrogens because of the presence of 2 carbonyl group which are adjacent to these groups, and that is why it will form a resonance stabilized enolate anion. The second step is what? The second property is that the acetoacetic ester anion, it is strongly nucleophilic. And it will undergo the SN2 reactions with the alkyl halide to form the alkylated acetoacetic ester compound. So we will get the alkylated acetoacetic esters. And the third property is that the substituted acetoacetic ester, they will undergo ketonic and acidic hydrolysis very easily to form the carboxylic acid from the acidic hydrolysis, and they will form the ketones from the ketonic hydrolysis. So these are the properties. Next we have to study the synthesis. Like हमने malonic ester में पढ़ा था, यहाँ पर भी हम क्या करेंगे, synthesis study करेंगे, acetoacetic ester synthesis. तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास क्या होंगी, 2 टाइप की सिंथेसिस होंगी. सबसे पहले द एसिटोएस्टर सिंथेसिस ऑफ कीटोन, एंड जो सेकंड हमारे पास होगी दैट इज एसिटोएस्टर सिंथेसिस ऑफ द एसिड, दैट इज द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमारे पास 2 टाइप्स की हाइड्रोलिसिस हो रही है. सो वी हैव 2 टाइप्स ऑफ सिंथेसिस. सो फर्स्टली वी विल स्टडी द एसिटिक ester synthesis of ketone. तो जब सबसे पहले हमने इसमें स्टडी करनी है सिंथेसिस, दैट इज टू प्रिपेयर द मिथाइल कीटोन. सिंथेसिस ऑफ मिथाइल कीटोन. And you can say the synthesis of monosubstituted methyl ketone. mono substituted. सो लाइक सबसे पहले हमने जो प्रिपेयर करना है यहाँ पे वो हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं 4-methyl 2-pentanone. So pentanone means 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2-pentanone means there is a presence of this ketonic group at the second carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, CH3 and 4-methyl. So it will be like this, CH2. So this is 4-methyl and 2-pentanone, CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. So this is the form. So हमें prepare करना है from acetoacetic ester to this. So the first step is same. फर्स्टली हम क्या करेंगे, इनोलेट एनाइन बनाएंगे और उस इनोलेट एनाइन की हम रिएक्शन कराएंगे विद द एल्काइल हैलाइड टू फॉर्म द एल्काइलेटेड प्रोडक्ट एंड विच अपॉन द कीटोनिक हाइड्रोलिसिस विल गिव यू द कीटोन. सो फर्स्टली दिस इज द acetic ester, C double bond O, C2H5. It will react with a strong base to form the inolate anion and ethyl molecule will be released. CH3, C double bond O, CH, C double bond O, C2H5, negative and a positive. And next step क्या है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमने चेक करना है कि व्हाट वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर मींस कौन सी एल्काइल हैलाइड हमने इसमें ऐड करनी है. सो जो एल्काइल हैलाइड यहाँ पर हमने प्रिपेयर करनी है दैट इज दी जिसमें हमने एसीटोन ग्रुप की, जो हमारे पास एसीटोन होता है हैविंग फॉर्मूला CH3, C डबल बॉन्ड O, CH3. तो इस केस में हम क्या करेंगे, जो आपके पास ये हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है इसको हम किससे रिप्लेस करेंगे, वी विल रिप्लेस इट विद द isopropyl group CH2 and we will get this CH. We have to change it by the isopropyl group CH, CH3, CH3. So upon reaction with this we will get this. So this is the case. So अगर हमें ये प्रिपेयर करना है दैट मीन्स हमें यहाँ पर क्या ग्रुप ऐड करना पड़ेगा, एल्काइल हैलाइड का, दैट इज आइसोप्रोपाइल हैलाइड. So CH, CH3, CH3 bromide. So on reaction with this we will get NaBr as a side product and CH3, COO, CH, C double bond O, C2H5 and here this CH, CH3 and CH3. Now in the next step what is done, there is a ketonic hydrolysis. For that we will use dilute aqueous alkali, that is NaOH. So we will get CH3, C double bond O, CH, CH, CH3, CH3. So we get this sodium salt O, Na positive. So upon reaction with dilute aqueous alkali we will get this, and this upon reaction with by the obstruction of a proton what we get the resulting product, that is the 4-methyl ketone CH. Here decarboxylation occur and we get this CH, 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 CH3 and CH3. So this is the 4-methyl pentane 2-one. So this is the process. The second is synthesis of 1,1 di-substituted diketone. सो अगेन हम क्या यहाँ पर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, हम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर डाई सब्स्टिट्यूटेड डाइकेटोन. सो जो एग्जांपल हमने यहाँ पर लेना है दैट इज टू प्रिपेयर 3-methyl 2-pentanone, 3-methyl 2-pentanone. सो अगेन 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 pentanone, this 3 methyl. That means here is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is the presence of methyl group CH2, CH3. Now what is this? This is the this is the ketone in which one of the hydrogen in which two hydrogen of the CH of the acetone group are replaced by one methyl group and one the ethyl group. So this is, if we compare, it is the CH3, C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3. तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है, एसीटोन की दो हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस किया है. एक ग्रुप को रिप्लेस किया हमने मिथाइल ग्रुप के साथ और दूसरे को हमने रिप्लेस किया है बाय दी मिथाइल ग्रुप. सो हमें ये प्रिपेयर करना है. तो प्रोसेस हमारा सेम रहेगा. द फर्स्ट स्टेप कि हम इनोलेट एनाइन बनाएं. CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O C2 H5. So it will react with a base to form the enolate anion. CH3 CO CH C double bond O C2 H5 negative Na positive. In the next step it will react with मिथाइल आयोडाइड, क्योंकि हमने दो ग्रुप अटैच करने हैं, फर्स्ट मिथाइल और सेकंड इथाइल. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसकी मोनो सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेंगे. सबसे पहले वी विल यूज इथाइल आयोडाइड, देन Na आयोडाइड इज रिलीज्ड. वी विल गेट CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH CH3 C double bond O C2 H5. In the next case again it contain one acidic hydrogen. It will react with the second mole of the base to form the again enolate anion. We will get CH3 C double bond O C CH3 C double bond O C2 H5 anion Na positive. And this anion will react with the second molecule of alkyl halide, and the second here we use the ethyl iodide. So again sodium iodide released and we get CH3 C double bond O C CH3 and this group attached here CH2 CH3 C double bond O C2 H5. Now what we have to do, we have to do ketonic hydrolysis. For this dilute aqueous NaOH is used. Then we get the sodium salt CH3 CO C CH3 CH2 CH3 then COO Na positive, and this upon reaction with an acid, or you can say by the abstraction of a base, it will be decarboxylated to form the disubstituted ketone CH3 CH then CH2 CH3 and 1 methyl group. So this is the 3 methyl 2 pentanol. So this is the case to form. So this is the process. The next is the synthesis of diketones. Synthesis of diketones. So for the synthesis of diketones, here the acylation of acetoacetic ester is done. सिंथेसिस अगर हमने कर ली है डाइकेटोन्स की, तो हम उसके लिए एसिटो एस्टर्स को रिएक्ट कराते हैं विद द एसिटाइल क्लोराइड्स रादर देन द एल्काइल हैलाइड. सो सपोज हमें यहाँ पर बनाना है एसिटाइल एसीटोन. सो एसिटाइल एसीटोन मीन्स दिस इज द acetone group in which acetyl, the hydrogen of one hydrogen of the acetone is replaced by this acetyl group. So this is acetone and इसकी एक हाइड्रोजन हमने replace किया this acetyl group. So what is it? It is the acetyl acetone. Now again what is the procedure? So firstly we will take the acetoacetic ester. फर्स्ट प्रोसेस में अगेन इसको हम रिएक्ट कराएंगे एक स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस के साथ लाइक सोडियम इथोक्साइड. हमारे पास फर्स्टली बनेगा इनोलेट एनाइन और यहाँ पर जो रिलीज्ड मॉलिक्यूल होगा दैट इज एन इथाइल अल्कोहल CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O C डबल बॉन्ड O C2H5 नेगेटिव, सोडियम सोल्ट बनेगा। आफ्टर दैट यहाँ पर हम इसको रिएक्ट कराएंगे किसके साथ, जो ग्रुप हमें ऐड कराना है, तो हमें यहाँ पर ऐड कराना है मिथाइल एसिटाइल ग्रुप। सो दिस इज द मिथाइल एसिटाइल क्लोराइड। सो यहाँ पर आपके पास क्या होगा, CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O CH C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3 एंड ये द पार्ट रिमेन द सेम एज इन केस ऑफ रिएक्टेंट, एंड यहाँ पर जो रिलीज होगा आपके पास दैट इज NaCl. So next what we have to do, next we have to do the ketonic hydrolysis, that means dilute aqueous NaOH and further on reaction with an acid like HCl etc. So we will get the decarboxylation. So first is this and the second step is this decarboxylation. We get the diketone CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O CH3. So this is the final product. So this is the acetoester synthesis of the ketones. Next जो हमारे पास आती है that is the aceto acid ester synthesis of dicarboxylic acids, वो हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में स्टडी करेंगे। थैंक यू।